Hi friends, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain about what is month DAX function. Month DAX function returns the month as integer from 1 Jan to 12 December. Okay, 1 Jan to 12 December. It means every year have 12 months. First month is January, so it's showing 1. Second month is February, so it's showing 2, number 2. Okay, syntax month, date, time. Okay, let's check this month function in powerbi desktop. Okay, I'm already prepared some data. Click column, type here month, and next add. Okay, see this is a month is a function name, sales is a table name, date is a column name. Let's check this function. See this, it's automatically showing 10 10 10 10. October is a 10th month, so it's calculated to 10th. So now it particular in this value showing 10. Okay, this is month function. Please subscribe our channel Laxmi Skills. Thank you friends, bye.